Okay, right now I'm doing a bathroom renovation and I would like to take a video on this on how to remove and install a new toilet bowl. Okay, first you have to make sure that your new toilet bowl will be the same as your old one. Mine has a 12-inch distance from the flange bolt to the wall, okay? And you will still have a gap. So they call it a 12-inch to the wall toilet bowl. Now let's start with the basic and common sense. Turn off the water. And another common sense, empty the tank. And after emptying the tank, have some physics here. We have to throw a bucket of water, low gravity. See, you got lesser water. Let's start removing the connections. And make sure your new bowl has 12 inches specification. Now we have to remove the grout or the caulk. You have two bolts on each side. There's a cap, just remove it. Mine is rusted. You can use a plier or a wrench. Remove the bolt. Both sides of my bolts is rusted. That's the problem if you have boys in your family. Sometimes their pee overshoots. Yeah, those get wet and rusted over time. Now before we lift it, let's shake it a little bit to see if there's no more caulk or grout holding it. Looks like we're ready for the heavy lifting. Now let's lift this bad boy and take it to the bathtub. Ew, my goodness. That was heavy. Okay. Hey, this is the linoleum. And that's the wax. That's the one that seals your toilet bowl to the flange. This is my linoleum. And this is the wax seal. You have to remove it because toilet bowls comes with wax seals. Continue cleaning it, removing all the old wax. As you always see in some of the videos, they put a plug here. So let's do it so we don't smell. Actually, there's no bad smell. Using the wire brush, let's go clean. Now that looks clean to me. Now, the original flange sit on top of the floor. And that's what the code says. But now that I have the new floor, a tile, my tile is now sitting above the flange. And according to the code, to create a good seal, the wax must be compressed, according to the code, between the flange and the toilet bowl. To create a good compression and to create a good seal, this must be higher than the floor. Same thing with your second floor bathroom. If you have subfloor and then you have a renovation, you install hardwood, you need to buy a spacer or a riser, so the flange will sit on top of your new floor, and then the wax will be creating a good seal because it has enough compression between the toilet bowl and the floor. I will show you later. Okay, my toilet comes with a wax ring, but since my flange is now sits lower on the floor, I need an extension. I bought this product. It has a seal which serves as a wax ring, but this is more efficient. And it comes with a spacer. See the picture. This is our case. Our flange sits lower than the floor. So we're gonna be using this spacer to create a better seal. Simply slide the screw on the big opening, twist it, and set it. We'll do on the other. Be sure to insert this plastic to hold this bolt upright in place. Slide the riser or extension, then slide your seal or rubber seal, which also serves as a wax seal. But this is now, this is what I do. I put 2 blocks of wood, about 4 inches thick. Make sure everything is lined up. Right there. And then I'll lift it up and ask my 5-year-old kid to pull it out for me. So let's tighten the bolts on both sides. Mine has a cap, so I'll put the cap on. I already hooked up the water, and I have a separate video on how to hook up the water and the sprayer. Some spray here. There's no leak.